We're in Diaries 2 Thuận Sen mời.
Keeping up with the show.
Main menu mangoes.
Amin Gansu.
Hi, Jovi. Bon Jovi.
True. Life is not all about vlogging, it's also about working your asses off. Natural habitat Cantidon hay ở rồi chạm về lâu nhỉ. Rest in peace art tattoo.
Building 1.
I'm not looking for an answer. I just hope these words will help whoever's listening. If someone cares to listen in, I've been up and down in life, sure. Every day's a chance to fight, forever wrestling. Try to make amends again. Boom, boom, boom.
Wow, guess what that language is? Damn weird ass. Now, reverse mode on. Big red booty on the way, yeah. Well, it's always good to enjoy nature, learn to appreciate the things around you, like the blue skies, the clouds, this blue blossom flowers.
Brainy time! Time has a wonderful way of showing us what really matters.
Be happy. Not because everything is good, but because you can see the good side of everything.
Thank you for watching!